This video tutorial will demonstrate how to use the PSC Library Catalog to find a book. The catalog is found at the library's homepage, pensacolaState.edu/library. Let's search for a topic. In the search box, type in a search term, a book title, or an author's name. For this demonstration, let's search for social media. As you view the results page, you will notice that your search has retrieved a mixture of books, articles, and media. Icons in each record will show if it is a book, an ebook, or another format such as streaming video or journal article. To view only book results, check the Books in the Library box in the Narrow Results By menu bar on the left. Notice that you can adjust your search for a title, journal title, author, subject heading, or ISBN if that type of search will be more effective than keyword. You can also choose to search a specific PSC campus library. The search for a book in the library about social media produced more than 900 results. Let's look at result number 2, Social Media, a Reference Handbook. We can discover a lot of information about this book by looking at its brief record. Pensacola Milton circulation and Pensacola circulation indicates that this book is in both the Milton Campus Library and the Pensacola Campus Library. This book is part of the circulating collection, meaning that it can check out of the library. Be aware that the Pensacola to the left of the slash only designates Pensacola State College, not a particular campus. Available indicates that this book is available for checkout and should be on the shelves. If the book was already checked out, a due date would show here. To find this book on the shelf, we need its call number. The call number for this book is HM742.S628153, 2017. The call number includes everything from the first letter to the date. To reserve a book or to have a book brought to your campus from a different campus library, use the Place a Hold feature. Select the PSC campus where you want to pick up the book, then place your request. The book will be transferred to the campus library you selected, and you can pick it up within 1 to 4 business days. To discover even more about this book, click the title to view the complete record. This full record contains information about the author, title, and publication information. Some records contain a table of contents and an abstract or summary of the item. Scroll down to the bottom of the record to view the Library of Congress subject headings. These are the more precise terms to search. In this case, another subject heading for social media is Communication Social Aspects. To see those search results, click on the hyperlink. Books are checked out at the information desk. You must have your PSC student ID with you to check out library materials. Books check out for 4 weeks. Fines are 25 cents a day for books that are not returned on time. Bonus: the library catalog offers many ways to refine your search. On the left-hand side of the results page, use the options under Format to limit your search to a specific format such as ebooks, media, or streaming video. Uncheck the Books in the Library box if it is checked. If you choose the ebook format, you will find almost 20,000 results that match your search for social media. These and other online resources require that you log in with your borrower ID and PIN. The borrower ID is your library ID number, and the PIN is the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you have accessed the library through your Canvas course, you will not need to log in again. This concludes the video tutorial on using the library catalog. If you still have questions, please contact a librarian.